gas. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Give it gas. Push it down. Push it down, go. Go, go, go. Whoa, don't hit the wall. Back up. Go back up. Now give it gas. Give it gas. Here, push your foot down. Push your foot down. There you go. Now, move, Ashton. Okay, go. Careful. Yeah, listen. Listen. You have to go backwards. Here, push it. Go back. Give it gas. Push this and give it gas. Turn your wheel. Okay, go. Go, go, go. Give it gas. Back up. Okay, go. Now, look, honey, you can't hit the walls. Did the wall get in your way? Huh? Did the wall get in your way? Here. Put it in reverse. Okay, give it gas. Give it gas. Is that a locker temper? It is. Okay, it's time to put it away. Now it's going to put it back in the bedroom. Tell it bye. Ashton, you want